Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country style vintage home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Country style vintage home decor is a cozy, nostalgic interior design aesthetic that blends rustic charm with old fashioned elegance. It is inspired by rural farmhouses, cottages, and countryside homes, often incorporating elements that feel owned, loved, and full of history. Country style vintage decor is influenced by rural homes of the past, often showing from English cottages, French farmhouses, or American country houses. It is all about embracing simplicity, nostalgia, and warmth. The look feels relaxed, inviting, and grounded in nature, where every piece has a story and a purpose. Detailed design elements, furniture, distressed or painted out. Furniture often shows signs of wear, chipped paint, faded finishes, or repurposed wood. Farmhouse tables, big study tables, often made of reclaimed wood. Mix and match chairs, with the chairs around the table, not necessarily intentional. Sleep comfort sofas, often in neutral or floral fabrics. Number 2. Textures and fabrics. Layered and cozy, quilts, throw blankets, and ruffled curtains. Natural textures. Think burlap, jute chucks, cotton, and lace. Owned in fill. Soft, lived-in textiles with a handmade vibe. Number 3. Color scheme. Main tones. Creams, whites, beige, and soft gray as a base. Accent colors. Dusty pinks, shades green, dark egg blue, or mustard yellow. The palette is calming, not flashy, like a faded photograph. Number 4. Decor accessories. Vintage kitchenware, enamel pot, iron skillets, and old crockery. Wall decor, botanical prints, old clocks, hand-painted sign. Florals. Real or chat flowers, especially wildflowers or roses. Candles and lanterns, often in earth, iron, or glass. Number 5. Lighting. Soft, warm lighting is essential. Use candlelights with crystal drops, wall sconces, and table lamps with fabric shades. Vintage oil lamps or lanterns add a unique charm. Popular substyles. You can mix and match based on your personal taste. French country. Elegant curves, tall fabrics, and lavender tones. English cottage. Cozier with more floral patterns and tea time charm. Rustic country. More rugged with raw wood and a farmhouse edge. Shabby, a more feminine chic, whites, pastels, and lots of distressed furniture. Tips to get the look. Thrift and flower market finds are called. Think old suitcases, picture frames, or typewriters. Don't overdo it. A few carefully chosen vintage pictures make more impact than clutter. Embrace imperfection. Scratches, chips, and wear add to the story. It is more than just a style, it is a lifestyle aesthetic. It brings a sense of slower living, where everything has a purpose, and beauty is found in the everyday. Think of sitting by a window with a cup of tea, baking homemade bread, or changing to a windowsill garden. Simple, peaceful, and heartfelt. Room by room breakdown, living room, slip covered sofa in light fabrics. Use open shelving with stacks old books, vintage vases, and candles. Coffee table made of reclaimed wood or an old trunk. Show pillows in gingham, floral, or lace patterns. Old ladder leaned against a wall to hold blankets or plants. Kitchen open shelves displaying mismatched vintage china and jars. Use apron front sink like Farmhouse sink. Distressed cabinets or open cabinetry. Copper or cast iron cookware on display. Use wall mounted spice racks, gingham pot rails, and antique tins. Paint job iron bed frames or distressed wooden headboards. Patchwork walls and ruffled linens. Use vintage nightstands and lamps with soft lighting. Use lace curtains or light floral prints. Use antique vanity or dresser with a mirror. Bathroom, clawfoot tubs or pedestal sink. Use wicker baskets for storage and vintage perfume bottle messengers for cotton soap. Use soft lighting with candelights or sconces. Use neutral tones with puffs of floral. Signature decor items, messengers, used as vases, storage, or lighting. Use galvanized markets, wooden crosses, old stigmac, hand painted or rust tin. Use milk glass and ceramic pictures. Use vintage wall clocks, wicker baskets, and distressed picture frames or mirrors. Dye ideas to enhance the look. Use chalk paint old furniture and distress it yourself. Turn a vintage ladder into a towel or blanket rack. Use old window or shutters as wall art. Repurpose enamel ware into planters. Make a gallery wall of botanical prints, vintage postcards, or family heirloom photos. Where to shop for country vintage decor, thrift stores and flower markets. Best for unique finds, instead for handmade vintage style items. Antique shops, online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Terrace. Cultural influences behind country vintage decor. Country vintage is not tied to one region, it draws inspiration from different rural traditions. First, American country, rooted in rustic farm life, heavy use of burned wood, messengers, checkered patterns, is functional and rugged, sometimes with Western touches. English cottage, very cozy and charming, uses florals, tea sets, lace, and soft lighting, is romantic and storybook-like. Next, French country, more elegant with a refined vintage touch. Use linen, antique furniture, tile prints, and light blues. Balance rustic and sophisticated beautifully. Common architectural elements to take it by on Decor. Consider structural touches like exposed beams, wood walls or ceilings, barn-style sliding doors, stone fireplaces, and antique doorknobs or facades. If you are not remodeling, you can simulate this look with peel and stick out paneling, flex beams, or vintage hardware upgrades. Mood and atmosphere. Country vintage design is all about feeling safe, relaxed, and connected to tradition. That means soft lightings, comforting materials, and meaningful decor. Essence. Use candles or oils with scents like vanilla, lavender, or cinnamon. That textures are key. Soft throws often attracts smooth pottery. Styling secrets from decorators. Layer your lighting. Use multiple sources, lamps, sconces, square lights for a warm, inviting space. Balance old and new. Don't overdo the antiques. Mix with modern features for comfort and contrast. Create moments. Style little nooks or corners with thoughtful vanities, like a basket or dried flowers next to an old book and a candle. Rooted seasonal decor. Country vintage embraces seasonal changes. Think pumpkins in fall, dried flowers in summer, pine in winter. Feeling overwhelmed? Start small. Here are starter tips. Pick a palette. Soft neutrals. Faded accent colors like cream, cheese cream, or dusty rose. Choose two vintage pieces, maybe an old mirror or vintage trunk. Style a corner, add a small table, a candle, a plant in a tin can, and a framed black and white photo. Introduce texture, show blankets, oven baskets, lace tiles. Seasonal country vintage decor. A beautiful part of this style is how easily it adapts to the seasons. Spring. Fresh flowers in messengers like tulips, daisies, and lavender. Light pastels, linens, and floral threads. Decor with birds, bunnies, or vintage containing tools. Summer. Open picnic baskets for storage, light cotton throws, and gingham tablecloths. Fresh shrubs in animal pots or teacups. Fall. Dried wheat or corn stalks in tin buckets. Use farm-toned quilts and plaid blankets. Use pumpkins, apples, and old harvest sign. Winter. Pine garlands and candle lanterns. Use cozy nets and fox fur throws. Use antique salads, sticks, or old-fashioned holiday cards. Decorating based on personality. Let's see your taste leans more into mode. Here is how to bring it into the country winter's world. Romantic. Slates, ruffles, and soft pinks. Use floral wallpapers and candeliers. Use antique vanity with perfume bottles. Minimalist. Stick to neutral winter tones like creams, whites, and taupe. Honor two statement antiques like a distressed console table. Keep it clutter free but textured, then contains and wooden bowls. Collector. Display crafted antiques like old cameras, glassware, or case. Use open shelves and shadow boxes. Create a story wall with vintage frames and art. Nature lover. Add lots of greenery in clay pots or tin cans. Wooden decor, botanical prints, and pressed flowers. Decor made from natural fibers like jute, rattan, or cotton. Mixing country vintage with other styles. Country plus modern. Pair vintage decor with sleek black or brass fixtures. Use minimal modern lines with cozy vintage layers. Keep it simple. White walls, clean furniture, warm vintage touches. Country style vintage home decor is a cozy, nostalgic interior design aesthetic that blends rustic charm with old fashioned elegance. It is inspired by rural farmhouses, cottages, and countryside homes, often incorporating elements that feel warm, loved, and full of history. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.